Remove file associations on Windows 8. I have Chrome associated with .xlsx file on a Windows and NBSB 8.1 machine. And Control Panel /Programs /Default Programs /Set Associations. It is not possible to remove an association, only to change it to another program. And Control Panel /Programs /Default Programs /Set Default Programs /Set Program Associations. .xlsx is not present in Chrome. I removed all keys from key_current_user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /filex .xlsx. Still, Chrome remains associated with that extension in Control Panel /Programs /Default Programs /Set Associations, and Windows Explorer shows the Chrome icon with the .xlsx file.
Create a blank file with a random file extension. Let's say, and lt, file name and gt.blah. Now right-click your file, .xlsx, in this case, and select Open with Choose Default Program. Scroll down and select Browse for an app on this PC. Now browse to filename.blah, and select it. When your .xlsx file is associated with and lt, file name and gt.blah, all you need to do is to delete the and lt, file name and gt.blah file. Now it'll force any .xlsx file to make a file association again, and you can choose application from which you want to open your file, or leave it as it is. And this solution certainly works. The same process also works for Windows 10.
I think you missed the other system file associations XLSX list in HKCR. To be sure everything is good, next go here and check the default setting on XLSX. Usually it will point to another key in HKCR or sometimes have a long gid referencing a persistent handler. Either way, we need to then jump to HKCR /xslx_auto_file or search for the gid of the persistent handler and make sure everything looks Chrome free.
Another option, tested under Windows and NBSP 10, is to open CMD as administrator, then run. So you specify nothing behind the equals. For me, this stopped a downloaded CSV file from opening in Excel. The download prompt still contained Open with Excel as default suggestion, but it let me choose Save to Disk instead. This does not properly format the data into columns, probably because the default settings don't match, which makes associating CSV with Excel useless.
FileTypesman is free utility that you can use to change associations, or even better yet, the way I used it. I opened filetypesman.x, selected the extension with the wrong application association, and clicked on menu Edit Open File Type and Regedit. Bam! It went right to it. Then I went to the Open key under the file type, cleared the data in the default Reg key, closed Regedit, and refreshed my Windows Explorer, F5. Voila, done.